The illusion of elsewhere. True freedom and happiness wait at Lakay. We live in a world that worships movement. As Haitians, we are often taught to look outward. We pack our bags, leave the warmth of the island, cross oceans, and chase a future in places like Miami, New York, Montreal, or Paris. We treat the exit as a victory, a necessary escape to build a better life for ourselves and the families we leave behind. But if you have ever spent a freezing winter evening in a foreign city, or a quiet night in a neat suburban home abroad, you know a secret that a green card or a foreign passport cannot fix. You know that everything out there is temporary. The Cherchez la vie dilemma, a beautiful, endless struggle. Living in the diaspora is defined by the phrase cherchez la vie, searching for life. And we fight hard. We work double shifts, we earn degrees, and we fill barrels to send back home. We build impressive lives on foreign soil. Yet underneath the success, there is a subtle, grinding friction. It is a beautiful struggle, but it remains a struggle. You are constantly adapting, constantly code switching, and constantly proving your worth in spaces that were not built for you. Our elders always reminded us, pied court prend des vents. The short leg gets a head start. We rush abroad to get ahead, but in the process, we often forget what we left behind. The wealth we build in the diaspora is temporary. The titles we earn are temporary. We spend so much energy trying to fit into societies that often only view us as statistics or labor. We feed our bodies abroad, but we starve our souls. Where the heart is, realness resides. There is a profound difference between a life that is functional and a life that is real. Outside of Haiti, you have to explain your identity. You have to translate your spirit. But back home in your own country, Lakay say Lakay, home is home. That is where realness lives. It is found in the unfiltered raw laughter over a game of dominoes. It is in the taste of a real soup jumeau on New Year's Day, shared with people who know your history, not just your current job title. It is the effortless comfort of hearing Creole spoken all around you, a language that carries the exact rhythm of your heartbeat. Another proverb says, Kodain tune lakaili, le la pli tanbe. The turkey returns home when it rains. No matter how far we fly, when the storms of life hit us, our souls naturally long for the shelter of our roots. When the old saying goes, home is where the heart is, it means your pulse, your essence, and your truth are anchored to that specific Caribbean soil. The sanctuary of love, pride, and freedom outside our homeland, respect is often transactional. We are judged by what we can provide. But back home, the love is real. It is woven into the neighborhood ties, the shared struggles, and the unbreakable pride of a people who reshaped human history. As we say, Menon pile, chez Palu, many hands make the load light. True community and unconditional love belong to the collective spirit of our people. In Haiti, you are not an immigrant or hyphenated, you are simply a son or daughter of the land. Most importantly, our home country is where true freedom resides. Real freedom is psychological peace. It is the liberty of feeling completely safe in your own skin, entirely accepted by your surroundings, and profoundly connected to a collective destiny. It is walking on land that belongs to you, rooted in the legacy of ancestors who fought for absolute liberty. Returning to the roots. If you are currently in the diaspora, fighting the good fight and sending support back home, honor your sacrifice. It makes you strong. But remember, Rosh nan lo pa kon dule rosh nan soleil. The rock in the water doesn't know the pain of the rock in the sun. The world looking at your success from the outside does not know the silent, solitary pain of living away from your soul's home. Never mistake the temporary shelter of the world for your permanent sanctuary. Kaya voix en sapa kaya wu. The world will give you lessons, material comfort, and fleeting victories, but only your homeland can give you true peace. Turn your eyes back to your roots, because when the noise of the world fades, you will realize that the deep, authentic happiness you spent a lifetime searching for abroad was waiting for you right where your story began. Lakay say Lakay.